Hey folks, welcome to Hayden Me Grilling. Now tonight we're gonna be here in the kitchen. We're gonna make some cheesy gordita tacos, but I'm gonna call them some Gringo Gorditas. So let's get started. What I'm gonna do is add about a tablespoon worth of olive oil. Maybe a little more, but that's fine. We're gonna set our skillet to a medium-high heat. We're gonna let that come to a shimmer. Now we're gonna take half the onion, or half of an onion that I diced up. We're gonna scrape that into the skillet, along with 1 can of black beans. I drained them the best I could. Now we're gonna add 1 pound of ground beef, followed by 3 teaspoons of minced garlic. So once we get all this in here, we're gonna use our utensil, kind of start breaking this all up, kind of get it all combined. Well, we're gonna break this ground beef up, then we're gonna cook this until our ground beef is cooked through. All right, so while that ground beef's starting to cook, I'm gonna go ahead and do my prep work for my seasonings. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, half a teaspoon of oregano, followed by a 1/4 teaspoon. I'm gonna go with a very light 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. We get that in there, then just stir all those seasonings around together. Now we're gonna sprinkle that seasoning in over our ground beef. Once you got the seasoning in, just go ahead and get that all stirred in, get it nice and combined. Now we're gonna go ahead and reduce our heat down to a medium. Actually, because my stove burns hot, right? So I'm gonna go with a medium low, but we're gonna add 1 cup of water into this. Kind of stir this around, but we want to stir this frequently, and we're gonna let it simmer like this for about 10 minutes or until this kind of thickens up a little bit. While our ground beef is simmering, we're gonna go and start on the next step here. Now I got these little fajita size tortillas, and I kind of want to lay them flat there. It's gonna take a few of these little sheets, but it's okay if they overlap a little bit. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna get us a few of these on here. Like I said, I got another baking sheet we're gonna do this with. It's okay if they overlap a little bit. Now I've got 8 ounces of shredded cheddar. So what I'm gonna do is come through here and sprinkle me a little bit of shredded cheese on each tortilla. I messed up, started piling it all in the middle. We don't want to do that. We kind of want to spread it around our tortilla here. Now we're gonna throw these in the oven. We got it preheated at 400 degrees. We're gonna throw them in there for about 2, maybe 3 minutes, or until this cheese is melted. All right, we left that in there for 3 minutes to get the cheese where it is now. Now we're gonna take a hard shell. I just kind of want to place it right there like that. I want to press down, but not too hard. I don't want to break my shell. But you just kind of want to press it down into that cheese. Now we're gonna throw these back in the oven for about 2 more minutes, or until the tortillas have started to get brown. Next step, we're gonna take and just lay this over like that. Again, we want to press down just hard enough to get that kind of without touching the pan, because that's hot. But just kind of want to press it down a little bit. Then we're gonna fold this over, repeat the same process. All right, so we did pull these out after another 2 minutes. I didn't get enough cheese on this one for it to fully adhere the way it should. And I also think it didn't help that I used the bag shredded cheddar. But we got a few of these that are holding good. We're gonna make a few more of them. Let these kind of get a moment to just kind of cool, because they're too hot to really mess with right now. So we went ahead and filled our taco with our taco meat. So now, at this point here, it's all how you want your tacos, right? You can doctor it up however you want. I'm gonna come over the top of that meat with some shredded cheese. Next, I'm gonna come in and squirt me a little bit of sour cream over the top here. All right, let's go and get that taste test. All right, folks, so that was good. There are a couple things I would have done different. One, I would have shredded my own cheese. I think that would have made a better difference or a better outcome with trying to get those taco shells to adhere to the tortilla. And two, I would have eaten them sooner than what I did. Sorry. By the time I finally did eat them, when a tortilla, when you heat it up and it cools back down, it's kind of tough, kind of hard. But that's the only two things. Otherwise, that meat mixture there, very good. The whole thing was good. I just wish I would have executed better. And so, if you do decide to make this, shred your own cheese and eat them a little sooner after they come out of the oven. But all in all, it's a very good recipe. Definitely worth doing again. So y'all, and it didn't take very long at all. So y'all please like, subscribe. Let me know what you think. We'll see y'all later.